All right, well, I think it's finally time that we get after these potatoes and we talk about the 3 ways I've tried to grow potatoes this year and see what the harvest is in this newest way that I've found. Can't get very close to this. So I've tried 3 major ways to grow tomato potatoes this year alone. I've tried doing the mounds where you hill them 2 times, ended up rotting that potato out. Not really sure what happened there. We're going to give it another try later. I've tried container gardening, which actually kind of worked. I have previous videos on the channel where it worked. The only problem was the stem got blew over before it really got to put on any potatoes. This one is the soft trench, which is where you go down and you essentially till 10 inches down, scoop out the dirt, plant it, and then backfill it and bury the potatoes at 10 inches. And so what's really cool though about this specific style of growing these potatoes is the fact that I planted these on November 1st with my garlic. Now, I don't know how this is going to turn out. I'm just super excited that they came up in the spring and hopefully produced potatoes. So today we're going to go ahead, dig them up because that plant's dead. I'm going to let these 2 go a little bit longer, and then I'll show you the volunteer potatoes that I have nothing to do with that are growing behind me. So let's get her did. I'm going to come back just a little bit. This clay is really hard. Oh, snap. That's a pretty good start right there. Oh, what? Dang. We're doing a soft, I mean, it's really soft below the surface, but this top is not. Our little baby potato, we'll let him hang out in there. Maybe he'll grow another one. Oh, there's a lot of tree roots in here that weren't here when I planted the potato. Dang it. There it comes. I just cut one. That's awesome. There's another good one. So, like, this isn't probably like the best harvest of all time when it comes to potatoes. Yeah, there's the one I just cut. So that's one wasted because I'm an idiot. Don't help that I'm digging in clay. Busted off there. Like, it's all powdery below this top layer. Dang, that tricked me. I thought I had another one there. Nope, I had another little one started on the bottom. Nice. He can hang out. Oh, yeah. We got another one. So it may not be the most impressive tater harvest ever. But I will say, dang, it's not terrible. There's the one I chopped. That sucks. So there's like a hole. Oh, there's another good little one. Not a real big one, but we're good for like an Idaho. This must be where I dropped it in the first place. There's another little baby potato. That one was starting to rot on me. I mean, I powdered this pretty dang good. There's another little one. That's freaking concrete. That's good powder. All right. So that wasn't too bad of a harvest. I really wish I wouldn't have cut that one with the spade. But this is probably my most impressive harvest yet. I still have a little room to grow on the potatoes, but I got hopes for these guys and possibly them. I'm going to get a weight on these, but I know that this is more potatoes than I've got in any of my other ones. All right, so we ended up with less than a pound, but same thing I kind of do with my garlic is what I do with my potatoes to cure them and get them dried and clean before I bring them in the house. And I just throw them in this little basket. Super convenient. Just gonna put it out there. Homegrown potatoes straight out of the garden. With a little bit of Cajun seasoning on them. Even raw are so much better than store-bought. And it's just like, oh, it's crunchy.